I just get a phone call from customer at Family Dollar. Let's see if I can do video with the redness. Well, anyways, let me stop talking like this for one quick second. Okay, now I finished video, my friend. Well, anyways, I just got a phone call. My staff was like, I got a phone call. Don't nobody call my goddamn phone. So, what the hell they calling the stuff phone for? Alright. So I go to the front, I'm thinking they bullshitting. So, get to the front, and it's actually somebody on the phone for me. So, I gave a lady the corporate number and stuff the other day, and she said she would call the corporate and tell them how good of an employee I am, how good of customer service I give them, all that and whatnot. And she did. She called and told me that for 9 minutes. For 9 whole minutes. She talked to me about my good customer service. Do anybody else get phone calls at their job from their customers telling them how good of an employee they are? And does their corporate office turn their faces away from the good employee that they talk about? I'm quite sure none of y'all get phone calls from these customers and enjoying y'all customer service and stuff like that. So I'm quite ready to be recognized for the good doings I do around here. But peace out, and thank you for shopping at Family Dollar. I'm getting them $20 though. You better believe that. It's gonna be more than $20. I'm gonna multiply that $20 by 10,000, my brothers and sisters. So peace out.